Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how to complete the vector calculus project that I created for my students at Johnson County Community College. The first thing you're going to want to do is point your browser at Google Colab and then create a new notebook. Next, you're going to want to rename your notebook with your name and then Math 243 or whatever you find appropriate. After that, you're going to want to go in and change your sharing settings because ultimately you're going to share this link with me and I won't be able to view your project and give you a grade unless I can access it. So you have to change the sharing settings. Go into Tools and Settings. And then under the AI Assistant, you're going to want to hide all generative AI features. I've tried to use them before. They mainly just get in the way. Hop back over to Canvas and click on Project Part 0 and then follow this link to the notebook that I created. This is the assignment here. It kind of walks you through how to get Python to just do some simple math operations and make some graphs. I've also linked all the project notebooks in the description of this video. Back in your notebook, insert a text box and then briefly explain your history with coding. Python is an interpreter, so most of the math functions and methods that we're going to use for this project come pre-compiled in libraries. So the next thing I'm going to do is import the libraries that I need. Then you're going to want to bounce back over to the notebook that I created with the assignment in it, and you can just kind of follow along. Just a heads up, I had a student ask me this once. You can click these little arrows to open the sections. I'm going to encourage you to do as little copying and pasting as you can. It's surprising to me how much of my skill in coding is actually contained in my fingers. So the faster you build up the muscle memory for typing these lines of code, the better you'll get at it and the more helpful it will be to you in the long term. In my mind, the biggest obstacle to you having a career using the math that you've learned in college is getting a computer to do that math for you. I'm really not trying to be a hassle or create this project just to put something else on your plate. I really do think that this is a powerful tool. Python is the most common coding language on the planet, and I really enjoy using it and chatting about it. So if you have any questions or comments or anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me.